Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish and this is my tricky lifestyle. First of all, lots of love to all my viewers for the support you have given me so far. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. Today, the video is about how I cooked our Sri Lankan favorite Seeni Sambol. Without any further delay, shall we see? In an empty pan, saute 5 to 6 teaspoons of chili flakes. When you are sauteing the chili flakes, it will get cooked and the color will be a bit changed in the low flame. Otherwise, it will get burnt. This Seeni Sambal is also a travel friendly where we Sri Lankans make it like every other day, and we like to have it with the traditional roast pan and also with yellow rice, and today I'll be making it with appam. Now you can see the color has changed and you will get the aroma. Then you can switch off the stove and keep aside. Now in a kadai, now in this kadai the oil has got hot. Now you have cinnamon, cardamom and cloves with little curry leaves and rampan. We'll fry everything together here. You can see now it's finely roasted. You can add 500 grams of big onion, which is cut very thin. Now saute this in the oil until it's well cooked and it will change color. Let us wait. Not in high flame. Cook in the medium flame and not in low flame. Cook in the medium flame with two teaspoons of salt. Let it be cooking, because you can see from the onion the water is coming out. No, everything should be evaporated. Until then, we have to keep it in the medium flame and cook. Now you can see the onion is completely cooked and all the water has evaporated and it's totally caramelized. At this point, add the chili flakes which we have sauteed earlier. With 1 small lime size tamarind juice. Now mix this together, and this also will start to get cooked. Mix everything together. Now you can see our Seeni Sambal is ready. You can see the oil rises now. At this stage, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. And in very low flame, just mix everything together, which will give you our Sri Lankan's favorite Seeni Sambol, which is really a very good travel friendly food. So we need not have it in the fridge or anything. We can take this for traveling also. it stays for a long time. It doesn't make the food to get spoiled. And here we go. Our traditional Seeni Sambol is ready. And here we go. Our Seeni Sambol with appam is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and turn on the notifications. Until then, lots of love from me to you. I'll see you soon in my next videos. Until then, stay safe at home during this quarantine period. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.